2010 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe SS here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular car, actual miles, 64,676 on it right now, and it has been modified some. We're going to get into that in just a bit. Cyber gray in color, 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Front fascia, grille. You're going to notice a little bit different hood on this car. That would be an SLP OEM quality hood. Speaking of SLP, also has an SLP Blackwing cold air intake. Magna charger, so a Magnuson supercharger also underneath the hood. If you want to see what it looks like, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. At the end of the video here, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. As you can see, the big Brembo brakes up front, drilled rotors. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Dark charcoal or black leather interior. Of course, the center console. Gauge package. And coming around to the rear, has newer Continental Extreme Contact tires on it. I believe they're from fall of 22, so they've not been on very long. Plenty of tread. Technicians did mention there is a service engine light that is on. It's due to the aftermarket exhaust. This car does have headers. And you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. In the trunk of the car, we'll include a car cover and also an SCT tuner. Should be able to see those in the still pictures also. Take a look down the driver's side. There are 2 key fobs here with it. As you can see in the door, one of the key fobs has quite a bit of wear for pushing the buttons, but the key would still be with it fine. So just letting you know that. Speaking of keys, we're going to get inside this car, start it up. Sorry about the background noise. We're moving one around in our indoor showroom, so you're going to hear a little bit of rumbling go by. We'll wait just a bit. Anybody want to see what it is? That would be Ryan in a Bel Air Nomad, it appears. Probably one that's sold. Headed out on a transport, going to a new home. All right, interior, power windows, power locks, mirrors, Boston acoustic stereo system. Say speakers for sure. Here's your interior. Again, leather interior. Doesn't appear that it's really full of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Just a kind of little typical wear in the bolster. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, your monitored amenities like cruise and the steering wheel controls, AM, FM, CD, heated seats. All right, so there's exact miles at 64,679. Mentioned the engine light due to exhaust. Magnuson supercharged 6.2 liter V8. Stereo system working order. Take a look at the dash. Dash looks good. How about gauges? Here's all the gauges are working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temperature gauge to be up, but the gauges are working. Tach fuel gauge up here also. Water temperature gauge there, or coolant. Down here we have trans. And then of course oil temp. And then your pressure, your battery. sounding car. A little rumble to this one. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that hood while I'm here too. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Let's see if I can get this one-handed here. There we go. So again, SLP, OEM quality hood. Actually numbered. There it is, cold air intake in SLP. And there's a folder with some miscellaneous receipts on the supercharger install. Good looking setup, nice clean tidy engine bay. Stick around to the end of the video. Remember, we're going to do a driving video with this too, so you can kind of get an idea what it's like going down the road. Virtual ride in it, I guess, if you will. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro supercharged. SS 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a 6-speed manual on the center console. It's in a nice dark smoky gray color. Very nice aggressive exhaust note on this car. The inside looks very nice, comfortable factory bucket seats. All our gauges are working. Temperature is about a third of the way up the gauge. Oil pressure at about 45, maybe 50. Volts are charging over 13, and oil temperature looks like it's about 150. Brakes work great, clutch feels good, shifts very nicely. Maybe I'll put a window down so you can hear this exhaust note. Really great sounding Camaro. Fun to drive, easy to drive. Lots of pictures of this car and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.